Presenting Mivi 2 wireless Bluetooth speaker. With 5-watt power output, this speaker delivers loud and clear music by pumping out sharp trebles, detailed mids, and punchy bass for rich and immersive music experience. This portable speaker is lightweight and is built with aircraft-grade aluminum that makes it suitable for rugged usage. It is even IPX7 water, dust, and drop proof. It also features an inbuilt mic with voice assistance. The speaker comes with dual pairing feature. Mivi 2 comes with a battery life of up to 24 hours. It comes with wireless, Bluetooth and aux connectivity. The speaker is available in black, green, blue and red color variants. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.